G'day everyone. Well, it's time to finally stop putting it off and pull the dents out of this here fuel tank. So I think I've decided I'm going to try using a slide hammer, which means I'm going to try and build a slide hammer, so we'll see how that goes. But first of all, still full of fuel, so I'm going to have to drain all that out, and I'll leave it to sit outside with the cap and the fuel tap removed, so just to make sure we can properly purge all the vapours from it. Now before we go do anything proper, we'll make sure we don't have a bomb, because that would be bad. This is the extra spicy rum. Don't want to drink this one. Alright, so I've been fiddling around a bit, and this is what I've come up with. Just a bit of round stock, some RHS, a bit of more fire sprinkler pipe. It's just some plates in them with some holes in it. I just tapped the threaded hole into the end of it so I can attach this, what do you call it, other bit of RHS, just got a bit of a notch in the end of it. You can see it's nails slot into it like that. So the theory is that we just get some nails, weld them into this crease here. That fuel tank's been sitting for a few days and it's all free from petrol vapour now, so it's not going to explode on us. And then we just... something like that. I'm not entirely convinced this is going to work because this is just a bit of hollow pipe, so it doesn't really have much mass in it. But, you know, we'll give it a go. See if we can't get away with, you know, not having to buy something, because as much as I like buying tools, you know, in this economy you can't go having everything, unfortunately. I'm going to go ahead and grind some paint off and we'll see whether or not this is going to do anything at all. It's actually working a hell of a lot better than I expected it to, so I'm going to keep on with this. There is paint that hasn't seen the light of day since 1985. spray booth, no problem. Alright, I'm going to call that done. It's nice and white and shiny again, which is a little bit shinier than what it probably should be. Turns out not everyone can mix Honda motorcycle paint. At least not the 2-pack rattle can, which is what I went with. What I wound up going with was just, this is actually Toyota Peak White, which is the same sort of white that's on my Corolla of the same year model. I sort of eyeballed them from the garage door and, oh yeah, close enough, and of course it's not taking into account that the car's 30 years old. But that being said, I think once this is back on the bike and I'll stick it up again and everything else is painted nicely, should look pretty good. Speaking of stickers, yeah, it doesn't have any at the moment. And I do have plans there. I've got a couple of new old stock factory stickers, but I'm not going to stick them on this because, you know, they're proper nice old rare things that deserve to go on something that's getting properly restored. But I know someone who will print anything that you want. You can get them the reference material, so I've got stickers. I'm going to get as many stickers as I can and take photos and measurements of all the stickers that I can't get off other bikes. I'm going to have a... Hello, son. I'm going to have them all made up. I'll have a full set of reproduction decals, because getting stickers for the XLs is not as easy as it is for the XRs. You know, they're everywhere, but the XLs aren't quite as popular. It's maybe not the best paint job in the world, but I think for someone with basically no experience in painting anything outside of a bloody Nerf blaster or a model aircraft, I think I've done pretty well here. You would have seen that I put the sealant kit in there as well, just to be 100% sure there weren't any holes left in it. Also means no more rust, so this tank should last for another 1,000 years. But anyway, that'll do for today, I think. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.